Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to get QR code on Paxful app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get a QR code for a particular cryptocurrency on Paxful, then it's quite simple. Open up your Paxful application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage of Paxful, tap on the wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the top of the screen, tap on the Receive button. Select the cryptocurrency you'd like to view or get the QR code of and give it a tap. In my case, I'm selecting BTC. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your wallet address along with your QR code displayed on the screen. Now you can ask your friends to scan the QR code in order to send cryptocurrency to you. That is how you can easily find and get your QR code for a cryptocurrency on Paxful. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.